Okay, we just come across some gigantic turds. Huge, big, fresh. Huge. These are big. Those are big turds. Out here in the woods. They're everywhere. There's poop everywhere. Everywhere I look, there's poop. There's some deer poop right there. That was weird with all this other poop. Let's see what else we can find. I see more poop over here. More poop right there. More poop right there. So there's a little bit of deer poop and this poop. That's kind of weird. More poop right there. Freshly tore at tree. More poop. This place is covered in poop. Here's some more poop. We found some bones up on the landing, and now we're finding poop. Interesting. I'll get back to you. We're going to walk around a little farther. I don't know how much farther we're going in. Bye.